Hi, first graders. This is Mrs. Wenzel here, and I'm going to help you with Thursday's phonics homework. So let me show you how to find it on the Google Classroom. And one of the things that you're going to look at all your assignments on is this right here. It's the first grade distant learning, week 1, because we're on our first week of doing distant learning. And I'm going to go down. So here's Wednesday, that was yesterday, and now Thursday. So over here, it says phonics, watch videos and complete phonics I pages, 157 and 158. Now, if you have the workbook at home, you can do the workbook. If you don't have the workbook at home, you can just print these out, or you can just look at them and write them in your journal. Now, it explains all that in the slideshow that we also have in Google Classroom. So let me pull up the slideshow, and we're going to go to Thursday. It looks like that. And I'm going to look for phonics. I see reading. Here is phonics. Let's go to the first page, and it says phonics workbook pages 157 and 158. So we're going to go to 157, and I'm going to help you with the directions on how to do this page today. We're going to wait for it to load. Okay, there we go. And we're going to zoom in just a little bit. Zoom, zoom, zoom. All right, so the directions say add ing to the base word in the box. Print the new word on the line. So I don't know if you know what ing says, but it says ing. Everyone say ing. Awesome. So now a base word is a word like walk or nap or jog or hop. And what they're asking us to do is add the ing to it. So instead of just being hop, we're going to add the ing to it. So it's hopping. All right. So there is one rule here, and let's read that. If you can read with me, that would be awesome. It says, when a short vowel word ends in a single consonant, usually double the consonant before adding ing. So like the word stop plus ing equals stopping. Do you see something peculiar there? There is another P there. That's another consonant. A consonant is not a vowel. A vowel is an A, E, I, or U. So anything that's not a vowel is a consonant. And I know your teacher has talked to you about that. So in the word stop, ing, you had to add another P. So most of these words, you might have to add another consonant, but not always. So it's tricky. Let's look at the first one and see how to do it. So number 1, it says Maria and Dana were planning to go shopping. Well, let's read that normally now. Maria and Dana were planning to go shopping. Now, if I were write the word planning, I'm going to write it. It's kind of funky with my little pen on here. Plan. Now, I've seen the word planning a lot, and I know that there's more than one N. Now, some of these you kind of have to guess. So I'm going to put that down. Okay, do you guys see what I did there? Planning. So in the word planning, we actually have to add another N there. Okay, so I did number 1. Let's try number 2 as well, and then you get to do the rest on your own. So it says number 2, first they went walking in the park. First they went walking in the park. Now, I've read walking a lot, and I know that there are not 2 Ks in walking. So guess what? In this, I don't add 2 consonants. I just go walk. And there you go. So some will have double consonants and some will not. So be smart and try your best.